Hey everybody, it's George with you here at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive inside a 1967 Ford Mustang GT. This thing's been rotisserie restored. It is awesome. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Turn on those notifications by clicking that bell icon. I'm in love with this car. The purpose of these virtual test drive videos is for you to get a chance to see the vehicle out in the open air, and no matter where you are in the world, virtually put you in the driver's seat so you can get a sense of what it's like going down the road in this. For all additional information, when we're done, go on over to volocars.com. We have a couple hundred pictures, the selling price, a real detailed write-up, all the information we have, we want to pass on to you. So when you give us a call to buy this, you're knowledgeable and confident and everything goes smooth. All right, let's go ahead and get in. The interior looks really nice. It even has the steering wheel that it bounces up to kind of let you get in and out easier, which is an awesome feature. Then once the door shuts, it locks into place. Now let's go ahead and start her up. Starts right up, sounds awesome. Up here you have your fan control. I believe I hear the fan kicking on. Let's see the radio.
Orders, we have doctor's honorary.
Radio works, that's pretty awesome. It's over here. You have your little compartment for nowadays cell phones, whatever you want. It is your 4-speed. Up here you have your cluster, or gauge cluster, fuel, speedometer, a working clock, that's really awesome. The tachometer, then your engine temp, and then if your wiper control and your brakes, if your e-brakes on. Overall, this thing looks beautiful. I'm trying to find some stuff that's dinged up here. Might be a little bit on this seat where it looks like it's been sat in, but that might also come off with some cleaner. But the dash, everything in here really presents itself well, and the seat is not too bad actually. So let's see, the steering wheel feels nice. I'm not feeling any damage to it at all. Horn works. I can't wait to get this out on the road. So this is the first time myself or anyone from the shop has a chance to actually get this out on the road. So you and I are experiencing this together for the first time. If we find any hiccups or anything, we'll address them when we get back to the shop. Oh, seatbelt, almost forgot. Try to extend it there. I'm not as thin as I used to be. Seatbelt clicks right in. All right, so I'm gonna start off just kind of getting the feel for it, and then I'll open it up a little later in the video. Let's go for a ride. Clutch feels nice, good pressure coming out. It's not pushing my foot out too much. Goes through the gears real nice. See the car. Let's see. Feel it pulling to the left a little. Get that to the alignment shop. I hear some rattle in the back. I think that's it has the fold down that goes over the passenger seats because there are 2 available seats in the back. So maybe that's not latched up right. Gotta watch for your hands there. People think I'm honking at them. It sounds solid overall, this bumpy road here. I see the tach's working, the speedo's working. Temp came up. drives awesome. I said my little pull to the left, like notice I shook my hand off, I'm not cutting into the other lane. Like I said, we'll still take care of that before it ends up to your in your driveway. Let's get on her a little. Wow. Definitely has more get up and go than I thought it would. Goes through all 4 gears real smooth going in and out. This is a fun car to drive. And I like that it actually, when you're shifting, it has, we have to pull up to get it into reverse, so no more accidentally throwing it into reverse thinking you're in first. All right, let's go again. This baby is fun. My goodness. It's got some gusto to her. Like I said, I'm in love with this car from the exterior, interior, how it drives. I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, go click that bell icon that subscribes you and turns on the notifications. And now's the time to head on over to volocars.com. Check out the pictures, the selling price, the write-up. Then give our sales department a call because this thing has had a lot of action. I'm not even sure if this car is going to be available when you see this. I hope it is. But if not, stay tuned. We have other great ones coming. As always, I appreciate you.